It is Tuesday, August 10th, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related terms. I know it's dark behind me, but it really is Tuesday. It's 1:11 in the morning. Ooh, angel numbers. It's 1:11 in the morning. And I just finished my notes for Tuesday Talk, so I just figured now was a great time to record. So today's term is going to be breach of contract. And a breach of contract is any violation of the terms or conditions of a contract without legal excuse. So that means if there's something that is explicitly stated in your contract and you do not abide by that, you may be held liable for damages. So what happens if a seller is in breach of a contract? The buyer is going to have three options. First, they can decide that they're just going to cancel and void the contract and request that they receive their earnest money deposit back. If you don't remember earnest money deposit, go back and watch my previous videos because I defined that term, I think, back in December. Secondly, the buyer can also file for a court suit, and that's known as an action for specific performance, and this would force the seller to perform the contract. And thirdly, the buyer can sue the seller for compensatory damages. This could be for time spent during the process, any money spent on inspections, appraisals, getting the certificate of occupancy, estimates, anything like that. And on the flip side, if the buyer defaults, the seller also has some options. First is that they can declare that the contract is forfeited, and in that case, they can request that they keep part or all of the buyer's earnest money deposit if they feel that the buyer is in breach of the contract. Secondly, the seller can cancel the contract and just decide to move on with someone else and return the earnest money deposit. A lot of times you'll see the seller return the deposit when there's a mutual agreement to cancel the contract, or the seller maybe just isn't pressed. It could honestly be one of many reasons that they give the deposit back. Thirdly, the seller can also file a court suit. This might also require them to show evidence that they were never in breach of the contract themselves. And then lastly, the seller has the option to sue the buyer for compensatory damages. Let's say the seller put in a lot of money for inspections or COs or the time spent, all the same options that the buyer would have. So one fact about New Jersey is that we actually have a statute of limitations of 6 years for any party in a contract to bring about a legal suit if they want to enforce a claim. And that is going to apply to contracts, foreclosures, mortgages, and also cases of fraud. So that's good to know. You have 6 years to bring about your suit. And for my information, if you're ever wondering where I get it from, I actually use the official real estate booklet of New Jersey that they give you in real estate school. I pull everything from here so that I'm giving you accurate information. I also will add to the information by using different blogs and resources like Keeping Current Matters. They're really good. New Jersey Realtors, National Association of Realtors, they're constantly sending us emails, different blogs and articles that they have. Also, the different mortgage sites, Investopedia is one that I really like. So if you want a further explanation of the topics that I review, you can always Google the topic that I'm reviewing, or ask me what you should be Googling. Sometimes you just don't know what to research, and I can let you know some of the resources that I'm using and send you links. So my little 3-4 minute videos it's really just a synopsis. Definitely do your due diligence as always. And again, if you need any resources, I'm getting emails at 1:15 a.m. If you need any resources, let me know. And always talk to a professional. If you need professionals to speak to, I have all of the professionals you need. Home warranty, home insurance, mortgage, attorneys, realtor. I'm your girl, one-stop shop. So please reach out. Let me know what you guys need. As always, thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Tuesday Talk. I trust that you are going to have an awesome week. I just ask that you be the best version of yourself because you deserve that of you and the world deserves that of you. So I will see you all next Tuesday. Have a great day.